crazy how many puffins there are. Northern fulmars, and it's super pretty. Today my plan is to go see puffins in northeast Iceland, but first I'm gonna have to get there in my rusty car. Rust. Everything went okay with the car. My first stop was at a town called Husavik, which has a lot of touristy activities. This is it in the video. And then I got to where the puffins were. This was the first area that I got to see the puffins. They nest within these burrows that they dig themselves. It was funny to watch them walk around because they can be kind of clumsy on land. It was really cool to be here because there were so many puffins, and I know this isn't the biggest that colonies can get in Iceland either. Fortunately, I was able to get somewhat close to the puffins and get one of my best clips. Then I went off to go see some northern gannets, but unfortunately I was unable to see them, but I did get to see red-throated loons. I was really happy to see the whole family together, and after that I went back to see the puffins in a better lighting. And I was really happy that I went back because this was the best clip that I got on the trip. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.